How to use AI to build passive income in 2025. Introduction. Imagine this. While you're asleep, your money is working for you. Not just in traditional investments, but powered by artificial intelligence. Welcome to 2025, the year where AI isn't just a tool, it's a partner in creating passive income and financial freedom. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use AI to build multiple passive income streams, step by step. Let's dive in. Section 1. Why AI is changing financial independence. For decades, passive income was limited. Rental properties, dividend stocks, maybe royalties from books or music. But AI has blown the doors wide open. Now you don't need huge capital, technical genius, or decades of experience. With the right AI tools, ordinary people are building automated income streams in weeks, not years. Section 2. AI-powered passive income ideas. Let's break down some of the most powerful AI-driven passive income ideas you can start in 2025. 1. Automated investing with AI. First, AI-powered investing. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront and even AI crypto trading bots use algorithms to optimize portfolios around the clock. Example, John, a freelancer, started with just $500 in an AI trading platform. Over time, the bot rebalanced his portfolio, minimized risk, and generated consistent returns without him staring at charts all day. This is true hands-off investing, where AI handles the heavy lifting. 2. AI content monetization. Second, AI-generated content monetization. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Synthesia, you can create ebooks, YouTube videos, or even online courses at scale. Imagine publishing an ebook on Amazon Kindle in days instead of months, or running a YouTube channel where scripts, voiceovers, and editing are all AI-assisted. Case in point, a creator I know launched an AI-generated faceless YouTube channel in 2023. By 2024, it was pulling in over $2,000 a month in ad revenue and affiliate commissions, most of it automated. 3. Building and selling AI tools. Third, AI tools as digital products. No, you don't need to be a programmer. Platforms like Bubble and Zapier let you create simple AI-powered apps or templates and sell them online. For example, a solopreneur built an AI resume writing tool. He listed it for $29 a month. Within 6 months, over 300 people subscribed. That's nearly $9,000 monthly in recurring passive income. 4. Licensing AI-generated assets. Fourth, AI-generated digital assets. Tools like Midjourney and Runway AI allow you to create stock photos, background music, or design templates. These can be licensed on platforms like Shutterstock, Envato, or Adobe Stock. One AI designer I came across created 500 stock image variations using Midjourney and listed them online. Those images continue to sell every month, generating a passive trickle of income. 5. AI affiliate marketing. And finally, AI affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You use AI to create blogs, videos, or product reviews at scale, and then attach affiliate links. The AI does the writing, the ranking, and sometimes even the SEO optimization. Once published, those articles continue to generate traffic and affiliate commissions for months or years. Think of it like planting digital seeds. AI just makes planting 100 times faster. Section 3. How to get started, step by step. Now, how can you start building AI-powered passive income in 2025? Here's a simple roadmap. Step 1. Choose your lane. Decide which model excites you most: investing, content, apps, assets, or affiliate marketing. Step 2. Pick your tools. Explore user-friendly AI platforms, for example, investing, Wealthfront, Trade Ideas. Content, ChatGPT, Jasper, Pictory. Apps, Bubble, Zapier Assets, Midjourney, Runway. Adobe Fire Affiliate, Surfer SEO, Jasper, ChatGPT. Step 3. Start small and scale. Don't aim for perfection. Launch a small project, test the results, then scale once you see traction. Step 4. Automate and diversify. Automate as much as possible. Use scheduling tools, APIs, or templates, and once one income stream works, move to the next. Diversification is key. In closing, financial freedom is no longer reserved for the ultra-wealthy. With AI, ordinary people like you and me can build real, automated income streams in 2025. So here's the challenge. Pick just one idea from today's video and commit to starting this week. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to Financial Freedom Hub, and tap the bell icon. Because every week, we're exploring new ways AI can transform your finances and unlock true independence. Subscribe for AI finance hacks,